Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Gamerant. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamerant.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamerant website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials or your social accounts. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you wish to change your language, then you will not find this option if you go to your profile or your settings page, which means there is no option within Gamerant to change the language. However, you can still change the language within the website by using the translate feature within your web browser. Now at the top right corner of your web browser, there is the three dot that you see. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will see the translate option. Click on this option and now you will be able to choose your desired language within which you want to translate. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on choose another language. You can now click on the drop down menu and choose whichever language you wish to use for your Gamerant account. After clicking on this desired language, just click on the done button and now your language will be applied using Google Translate on your web browser. You can change this language at any time you wish by going back to the same menu and choosing your new language. And there you have it. That is how you can change your language on Gamerant. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.